Hey guys, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe. And yeah, there are a lot of questions about reviewing for graphing trig functions. So what I did is this is from desmos.com. So you could always check your work at desmos.com. And a popular review, okay? So we have f of x is 4x cosine of 3x. Okay, cosine of 3x. So the question is, find the amplitude. Find the amp. Well, the amplitude for this is going to be the absolute value of the coefficient, right? Coefficient, which is the coefficient of 4 cosine 3x is going to be 4. So absolute value of 4 is going to be 4. Okay, remember, amplitude is a distance of the high point. Since the graph is red, let me change the color to maybe blue this time because I don't want to confuse you guys. Okay, so the highest point here, let's take a 0, comma 4. That's the highest point, right? That's the maximum point. Okay, and the minimum point is going to be pi over 3. It's in radian. Pi over 3, comma negative 4. So if you look at the distance is 4 minus 4. Okay, which we're going to take the absolute value of that divided by 2. So that's going to be 8 divided by 2, which is 4. That means the amp is going to be from here to here, right? Or it could be from here to here. Okay, that's going to be the amp. Now I'm going to delete that because I ain't going to need that graph, okay? All right, so we're done with the amp. Now, how about the midline? Well, the midline is what is an equation of a line that's going to, I don't like that blue. Let me get, okay, let me go back to green then, okay? Yeah. So the midline is going to be, because some of you asked about the midline, right? What's the midline? The midline is going to be what is the horizontal line that's going to cut the graph at the middle. Okay, it's going to be this one right here, right? That is the midline. So what is the equation of that line? Well, its slope is 0, so the midline is y is equal to 0. Okay, because that's where it will cut the maximum and minimum into half. Okay, so the last question, which is the hardest one, okay, it has to deal with the period. Okay, so the period is let me move this down a little bit. Okay, the period for a traditional cosine is 2 pi. Okay, but if you apply the formula, it's 2 pi over absolute value of the b number. Okay, the b number is whatever is inside the function cosine, right? So the b is actually in front of the x. Okay, in front of the x. So it's going to be, let me write the equation again, is 4 cosine of 3x. So this is the b value. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to take 2 pi over absolute value of 3, which is 2 pi over 3. Okay, what does that mean? Okay, remember, 2 pi is much longer than 2 pi over 3. So to do the one cycle, okay, now watch what happens in green, okay? We're gonna go from here, our starting point, and we're gonna go all the way over to here. And that is our one cycle. So in other words, our traditional cosine of x, which is a period of 2 pi, cosine of x has a period of 2 pi, right? But now, because it was cosine of 3x, it went even faster. Okay, so in summary, we covered three things. We covered the amplitude, which is a distance from maximum to minimum. We covered the midline, which is the horizontal line that goes through the middle, and the period, and gave you the period means one cycle. So what is one cycle of this graph for cosine of 3x? Well, it's going to be 2 pi over absolute value of b, which is 2 pi over 3. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I hope you guys are doing well. I'll see you on the next video.